today is 8th of December. Well, we're backtesting the 8th of December to, well, this whole week from Monday to Friday, as every other day. Overall, we're looking pretty bullish. We've got no news. Not quite sure what our draw actually is right now, if I'm honest. Yes, looks like it wants previous day low maybe, but it's still quite far away. Don't really like longs. No targets above. Wouldn't mind continuation shorts, but yes, just stick previous day low. Ideally I want some bullish structure up now. should be a 3-minute play here. So I'll get this one. No, never mind. That'd be a break even pretty much. Well, it could be a break even, but it wouldn't be. Would go break even here. Don't really have any targets. Got that gap. Or intermediate time high. Four-hour delivery. Let's see what we can work with, because I do think it will go up. Yeah, I just don't know how far up. I will most likely get stopped at break even if we don't like fully distribute higher off this candle. I could also go break even up here if I was really confident, but because I'm not the most confident, I'll play it safe, I guess, or not. Yeah, not the best trade overall. In hindsight, didn't show enough bullish structure to make it valid. I would have thought it would hit break even the very least though, because of how tight it was. Looks like our draw's previous day low as of right now. We're most likely just gonna distribute or manipulate it down to previous day low straight away. Got 2-minute inverse back up. Little scalp trade to target open highs. Only thing is there's no break even point. But sometimes there's just not going to be a break even point. Or we have to work our way around break even points. Like there I would go break even. After seeing it distribute, I would go break even basically. Or pump up a little bit. Probably could have targeted higher, to be honest. Like maybe this external, well it's not even external range, but like this high maybe. No, it would have been break even. Oh no. Yeah, it would have been break even if I targeted any higher. A very nice little scalp trade. Well, I don't think it's actually scalp trading, but you get the point. Little, like 3 minutes in total or something. 1, 2, 3, 4-minute trade. didn't even have delivery. Surely we had something. We had this 15-minute right here, which was definitely making us deliver. Oh, it got closed above, or below even. Damn, we actually don't have delivery. Not even a 5-minute. I actually didn't know we didn't have delivery, but I still had. It was just obvious. I don't know how to describe it. We set previous day low, we got an instant reaction, and our next target is open highs. So, yeah. Let's see what happens after. Pretty wiki price action. Yeah, probably wouldn't have caught anything after this, to be honest. Maybe if this is a continuation long here. If I took that 3-minute, it would have been break even. Right, next day. Previous day low, we have SMT there, never mind. We have SMT at previous day low and SMT at previous day high. Hate to see it. Got FOMC, so it might be a bit of a dead day, but let's see anyway. Price seems very indecisive right now. Got to stay reactive. We've got a 1-minute inverse. We've got SMT here technically, but it's pretty old. we don't have delivery though. And this time I don't have, it's not a super obvious target. Like this could, I like the inverse. I like this this 1 minute like structure, shape, whatever. I'll go break even at the 3 minute. We have no delivery though. We'll target that. Let's see if this would have played out. Break even. Fair enough. Yeah, we're probably just waiting for FOMC. I'm pretty sure there was like a government shutdown or something at this time as well. Can't remember when that actually was. Got a 30-second inverse right there. But am I willing to trade, well, to take this? Probably not. Still don't have delivery, I'm pretty sure. I'd go break even their target. Probably a 1-to-1. Which would have been hit. Oh wait. Probably wouldn't have targeted a 1-to-1. What about this 5 minute? Probably like it a bit less than the 30-second, to be honest. Just because we're trending down overall. So I would assume that we're not going to push any higher. We don't have the clearest, well, we don't really have the best bullish structure either. And I don't like when like we're still respecting a 3 minute in the 5 minute inverse. I'll go break even here. Let's see. Would have went straight to stop loss. Don't really like this day, to be honest. Like I'd rather just sit it out as of right now. But we might see something. Didn't see anything. Thursday, 8:30 news, red folder. You got previous day high. guess we're trending upwards, but like we have all these gaps that could be pushing us down. We could just be rebalancing the range. Took out all that sell side. Alright, so I'm either going to be taking continuation longs or nothing. Just continuation shorts even. Maybe a counter trend trade after this sell side gets hit. Yeah, actually joking, bruv. We had a SMT. Kinda skipped past it. If we sweep that 5 minute, then I wouldn't mind continuation longs. As long as it's valid and somewhat obvious. I was gonna say potentially like this, but we got the inverse. Decent structure on the 30 minute. No, 30 second. It's another one of them trades where we don't have a break even point, which is not the most ideal. Like I would have to go break even at this high as like the safe option. 1 minute intermediate term high. Probably better off just going for like a 1-to-1 or something. Do you have delivery? Got a 5 minute, just about. Yeah, let's see what happens if we take this. Definitely not my most favorite trade, but still something. We never even swept that low. I don't know. That would have been a break-even trade. That is crazy. We got SMT at our target. Are we gonna push any higher? I don't know. The safe option is to take it out here. If I was still in it. But I'm technically not even in it. Could have went break even here at this intermediate term high. I didn't even notice that was a 3-minute intermediate term high, to be honest. But I still wasn't the biggest fan. But I guess this just goes back to not every setup looks the best. Like, it makes sense to push it higher because we're respecting this gap. We haven't disrespected any bearish. We haven't respected any bearish gaps. So we literally have had no reason to push lower, I guess. We got our entry signal. And that is exactly why you take it out at the SMT. We got the SMT, the reaction of the SMT literally brought us back to our entry level, would have stopped us out and then pushed higher. It's just too risky to go to hold the position. Pretty banger trade, to be honest, though. trade. As I said, technically should have been break even, but it wasn't a valid break even point, and I also didn't notice the 3-minute intermediate term highs. Final day, no news Friday. Seem to be respecting bearish PDRA, but looking pretty bullish. Let's see what market open does. Manipulated lower to cut the sell side, invest straight away, so 1 minute there. Got no delivery again. Interesting. Not the cleanest looking trade. I'm gonna fade this one. I'm fine if it plays out. Would have been break even anyway. I believe we have delivery now from this 5-minute. Yeah. Swept 1 hour sell side. Resweep with this 5-minute. 5-minute delivery, 3-minute inverse. So I'll get this external range. Oh, this intermediate term high. Break even once again. Don't have the best option. The only option is this 2-minute here. That's somewhat valid. I kinda like how this 4 hour is about to close, and we might want to push higher to fill that 4 hour first. So I'm gonna take this, but I'm not well, I mean, I'm expecting it to win, but I'll be fine if it loses. Like, I won't make an excuse. I'm aware that we don't have the best break-even point. But I guess discretionary trade, if anything. Yeah. Is it just a resweep or completely wrong bias? Completely wrong bias, alright. I mean, I'm not mad. Seemed like a fairly good level for a retrace up. Oh, well, yeah, I guess a retrace. Can't do much about it. We have a new day opening up above as well, which gives even more confirmation. Minute sell side, 5 minute delivery, no break even, well, 2 minute gap as break even, 3 minute inverse. Let's see if we get a reaction of previous day low getting swept. Or if we're just gonna carry on distributing down. For some reason I don't like it. ES hasn't taken previous day low yet. Two-minute inverse, 5 minute gap as our break even. don't have the best targets. I'm gonna fade it. Would have been break even. Looks like we're pushing lower. Wouldn't mind continuation shorts. Although we're not looking the most bearish right now. Seems like we're rejecting this area. We've got a 2-minute inverse. But it's just the fact that we're still dumping. So I'm not taking it. Probably would have been break even. Yeah. That's 12 o'clock. Pretty dead day. That's the end of the week as well. Ended it on a loss. But overall, we're still green on the week. We made about 800 or 900, something like that. Or 1k. Yeah, just under 1k for the week. Which is pretty good. Pretty consistent by the looks of it. I don't think I've had a single red week. Nah, this one, October, we had a red week. September, no red weeks. August, no red weeks. Interesting. Yeah, anyway, so pretty good week overall. We're obviously gonna have losses. It's inevitable. It's just we gotta make sure that we actually take all the trades so that the statistics add up. Because let's say I was faithful and for some reason didn't take these 2 trades but took these 2, then I'd be down 1k on the week, probably crying that I'm a shit trader and whatever. Even if I took only these 2 wins and not these 2 because I was faithful, it would still technically be the wrong thing to do, because like that would just be pure luck basically. But anyway, I'm yapping. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow, or maybe later today, as I say every day.